Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley, and this is creating your own Gmail account. So to start with, you're going to go to accounts.google.com. So going down, you'll see it says create account. You're going to click right there. And then whoever it's for, myself, my child, to manage my business. So for me, it's for myself. So you're going to type in your first name, last name, and then you're going to pick an email address for yourself. When picking an email address, you have to make sure that nobody else has that email address because there can't be two people with the same email address. So you're going to type in a username that you want to use, and we'll see if it actually comes up. If it's red and it says it's already taken, you may have to play with the numbers a bit, but it'll give you some options as well to choose from. So as you can see here, I've typed in my username and it's accepting it because it's not going red or anything, so we're good to go. So now you're going to type in a password. So it says to use 8 or more characters. So characters are numbers and letters, so a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols as well. And if they think your password is too simple, they're going to tell you that as well, and they'll make you kind of redo it. And then if you'd like to show your password, just to make sure that your password's good, you can hit show password and you can take a look at that as well. And then once you're done, you're going to click next. So now you're going to put in a phone number. So I'm not going to put in a phone number for this, but you can put in a phone number, and this is what helps with a two-factor authentication. So what you'll do is you'll put in a phone number, and then they're going to send you a code from Google to your cell phone for you to put in to prove it's you. A recovery email address, you can add that in there. So I'll just use my library tech one. So if you have another email address, you can definitely put that in there. If you don't, then you could always ask a family member if you can use theirs as your recovery. So the reason why you need this is because if you get locked out of your account or you don't have your password, that's the way to be able to get back in, is they'll send you something to this other email address. So if you can have a friend or a family member that you can use a recovery email if you don't have more than one email address, then that's fine. The phone number, once again, you can put that in and they'll send you a code. I'm just not putting in the phone number right now. So now you're going to put in your birth date. So whatever your birthday is. And then your gender. So whatever you'd like to put in, male, female, male, rather not say, or custom. So I'm going to put in female. And then I'm going to go to next. And at this point in time, if you did put in a phone number, it would actually text you a code for you to put in as well. So you're going to go down, you're going to okay these terms, hit I agree. And you've now made your own Gmail account. To see more about Gmail, I'm going to actually post the video that I did about Gmail and the ins and outs of Gmail just below this video. Have a great day.